Hi, boys and girls. You've learned so many apps that we use in first grade, and it's really important because we use all of them. They're excellent resources, but I'd like to show you one more today. So I'm going to hit my magical button, and you'll see that you might have done all of this today, but there's a new button here for math, and this is our Great Minds. It says on our activity list to sign into Great Minds Insync from My Passcode Connect. So that looks like this button, a little black square. Can you see it? And it says that you need to complete the pre-test in your assignments. So I'm going to hit this button, and I see it's a test. So that means I can't ask mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, aunt, or uncle for any of the answers. Okay, I need to find that black square. Remember, it looks just like this. I found it. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. And what comes up is, oh, it's my name. Well, it's my friend Leo's name. He's letting me use his information for today. And it says you have one assignment for today. Check it out. It's right here. So you're going to click on it. And it says that you're about to start your assessment. So you'll hit start, and it'll ask you, how many dots do you see? Hey, Mrs. Lydell's class, we kind of looked at those with our plates yesterday. Do you remember that? So you have to tell me how many dots you see. So you'll click this box right here, and look, all the numbers pop up. Take your time, go slow, and just type in the number of dots that you see. So I'm going to say 2. Leo, I know that you don't think it's 2. And, oh, I'm just going to move that. I'm just moving that by pushing my mouse and getting it out of my way. And then I can click this one, and I can press 2 again. And I can press 2 again here. And then I'm going to hit the next button, and it'll take me to my next problem. I'm going to delete these right now because Leo still has to take his own test. Silly Miss Lydell, I can't take it for him. But that's how you complete your Great Minds assessment on your activity list. Good luck, boys and girls.